Okay, so if you own this, the Losi Super Baja Rey, and you're like me, and you've broken this, the lower control arm, but you're an idiot like me, but not me, and you can't figure out how to get this out of all of that, this is the very quick version of how to do that. So, we've got a shaft going through here, not encapsulated in this end, so it's got to come out that way. How do we get this son of a bitch off? So, you got your front bumper here, undo these two, you can leave that, I took it off anyway. You've got two smaller ones down here, and then you're like, how do I get this shit off? There's nothing else here. It's stuck there. Maybe I should just take all this shit off. No. 4 screws here. The 2 front ones aren't just for the front diff. Oh no. What happens? They go through this. Oh. Once we've got that off, then the shaft, which has a circlip on this side, can come out like this, and then, oh yes! Finito. That's how you do it. Front control arm on a Losi Super Baja Rey. That's the quick version. Thanks for watching. Keep watching for the long version. So I've just bought this probably a month ago, and I was out on only the 2nd or 3rd outing when I was driving along and it crashed. Whoops! Ooh, yeah. Ended up busting this, which is like the ball joint on the bottom, Jesus, of the lower control arm. So I'm like, alright, cool, no worries. Start pulling everything apart, get to this part here. It just, I don't know, it just doesn't come out. I couldn't figure out, I'm an idiot. I thought, maybe, you know, I'll just start pulling shit apart. Well, half an hour later, and I'd started pulling all this crap off, and I'm like, Jesus, do I need to pull the front diff out? This is getting ridiculous. It's like stripping an entire car. I tried this stupid thing. The manual. Oh, surely that'd help. No. No. What a piece of shit manual this is. I mean, seriously. I know it's a ready to run, but fuck. It's. I mean, what have we got in here? Just disclaimers, crap. Here's what you get in the box. You open the box, you know what you get in there. Usual stuff, receiver, transmitter, yada yada, turn it on. Well, literally, powering it on, powering it off. Wow, thanks. Setting the gear mesh. Oh, it's preset. Cool. ESC. Here's what the warranty covers. Here's what it doesn't cover. Yada yada yada. All this crap. So that's like half of it. The second half is your parts breakdown. Okay, fair enough. You go to the back. Let's have a look and see how this schmozzle all goes together. So we're looking at this, and I'm like, what the heck is this? There's just nothing here. So we got the lower control arm here. We got the bumper. We got this schmozzle here. Where does it say? You've got the 2 screws going up from underneath the front diff. It doesn't. It's crap. It's rubbish. The whole thing is pointless. It's just the worst manual ever. I mean, I haven't been doing this for long, but a little over 12 months. This is my first RC. Armour Fury, a 2-wheel drive short course truck, and the manual for that is twice as much as this piece of crap. And I mean, this is like nearly a quarter of the price of that, and it's just so much better. So all this tells you is needs full AA batteries. Don't eat the car.
Oh no, you're eating the car! Don't eat the car!
I'm serious, it actually says don't eat the car. Do not lick or place any portion of the model in your mouth. Really? Do I really need to be told that? And then it just doesn't say, oh, here's how to do anything on the car. You can't even see half of it. Yeah, it's pretty shit house. I mean, there's no maintenance schedule, or, you know, what to lubricate, what to look for, you know, whatever. That's it, that's the long version. Bye.